Welcome back to my channel, Saving with Christina, and happy Walmart Wednesday! In today's video, I'm going to show you the best deals that I grabbed over at Walmart for the last few days. Also, if you remember, I challenged Bree, the coupon queen, to see who could snag the best deals at Walmart this week. She actually posted her video yesterday, so if you haven't had a chance to check out her video, you definitely want to do that. I am posting a direct link down in the video description box below. Bree is wonderful. She has been super sweet to me, and I was super excited to challenge her this week. Honestly, I really hope I win this week because the loser gets a whipped cream pie in the face, and I just don't really want to do that, so I hope it's you, Bree. Sorry. If you aren't already subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. As soon as I hit that next milestone, 4,000 subscribers, I will be doing another big giveaway. So the deals that I did, like I said, I did them over the last few days. I was able to get all of the items for free, and I made over $8 buying it all. So I'm going to tell you exactly how I did that. Just a heads up, some of the Shopkick deals that I'm going to talk about, the offer value back has dropped. I'm going to go ahead and tell you what I got. That way, hopefully, these offers will come back and you will still be able to do these deals. Always check your specific cashback app so you know what the offer is prior to purchasing the items. I don't want anyone upset with me if you go buy something and then the rebate has disappeared or it's changed in any way. Okay, so let's talk about food deals first. So the Kinder Bueno offer is still good. This was on Swag Bucks. I did the offer last week. I did it again this week. It's when you purchase 2 Kinder Buenos. They are 98 cents each. You'll get $3.50 back on Swag Bucks. So I purchased 2 of these for a total cost of $1.96, but I got $3.50 back on Swag Bucks, making them free and $1.54 moneymaker. Now, there are the bigger 4-packs also qualify for this offer. I believe those are $1.48 each. So again, those are still free after the $3.50 back on Swag Bucks. But if you're looking for the biggest moneymaker, it's on these small 2-pack varieties. Okay, multi-meal deal. Now I've done this for at least a month now. There is a Shopkick rebate on these, and I'm going to tell you how I did this, and I did it 2 different ways. So if you've been following the videos, you know that when I'm purchasing 2 of them, you're supposed to be getting 1,300 kicks back, which is, I'm going to cheat here, $5.20. But the bundle wasn't processing through Shopkick immediately. You were having to send an email. So I wanted to try it a different way this week. And I was actually able to try it twice because I grabbed just 1 bag. So this was the Any Multi-Meal cereal. The offer is for 400 kicks back on Shopkick, and that's equivalent to $1.60. Now these bags are only $1. So I grabbed 1, I submitted my receipt to Shopkick just for the 400 kicks back, and it processed almost immediately. That same day it processed. So I got $1.60 back, making it a 60-cent moneymaker. So I thought, well, since that processed so quickly, I'm going to go ahead and try the bundle deal again, because the bundle deal is a better deal. Not only are you getting the 400 kicks back for buying the Any Multi-Meal, you get 400 kicks back for buying the berry, and then you get the bonus kicks back to total 1,300 kicks. So I tried this again, seeing if they had fixed the issue and it would process automatically. I grabbed 1 berry for $1. I grabbed 1 of the Fruit Loops for $1, or Tutti Fruities for $1. So my total was $2. I submitted to Shopkick for the 1,300 kicks back, which again is equivalent to $5.20. Again, it did not process automatically. It just gave me the 400 kicks, which led me to have to send them an email, and they did credit me the additional kicks back. So that makes it a $3.20 moneymaker. But for me, it still wasn't fixed. I was still having to send an email in order to get the kicks back. Normally, Shopkick has been amazing. For some reason, this bundle deal is just being a little finicky. If you're not using Shopkick yet, you definitely want to grab it. Use my referral code because you'll get additional kicks back when you scan your first receipt. Ibotta used to be my favorite app, and I still like Ibotta a lot, but Shopkick is definitely up there as one of my favorite apps that I've been using lately. Let's see. Let's talk about another Shopkick offer since we're talking about it. These bobby pins, priced at 94 cents. Now, if you scan these in the app, you're going to get 15 kicks back. If you purchase them, you're going to get 225 kicks back. So those added together is a total of 96 cents, making it free and a 2-cent moneymaker. So great deal on the bobby pins. A couple more Shopkick offers. Now these that I'm about to talk about, in my app, the offer has changed. The offer amount has lowered. So just double check your app before purchasing these products. I did find this Alba sunscreen on clearance at my store for $4.50. And at that time, Shopkick was giving 1,000 kicks back for purchasing any Alba sunscreen, and 1,000 kicks is equivalent to $4, making this item just 50 cents. I also grabbed the Alba Acne Dote. This is priced at $6.18 at my store. Attached to some of the Alba products are $2 off coupons, and so I snagged one of those. I checked out. $6.18 minus the $2 coupon, I paid $4.18 at the register. And again, Shopkick was giving 1,000 kicks back on this product, which is $4, making it just 18 cents. Now, if you're wondering how I'm calculating kicks to dollars, 250 kicks on Shopkick is equivalent to $1. So 1,000 kicks divided by 250, or I'm sorry, yes, 1,000 kicks divided by 250 is $4. That's how I'm calculating that. All right, next deal I did, and this is still a deal, but the kicks back has dropped. Hopefully the higher value offer comes back. It's again a bundle deal when you purchase a Suave men body wash and a kids body wash. This body wash right here, this is the 15 fluid ounce. It's $1.88. The Suave Kids was $1.88, so I paid $3.76. But Shopkick was giving 1,350 kicks back. So 1,350 divided by 250 is $5.40, making these both free and $1.64 moneymaker. So awesome deal on that. But right now, the offer's lower. It was like 100 kicks back on both and then a bonus for buying them. Maybe a total of 550, which is not nearly as good of a deal. So hopefully Shopkick bring back those higher value offers. Okay, a super good deal that I posted about right away on Instagram was on these Febreze plugins. Now, if you follow me on Instagram at Save with Christina, you will see some of the deals earlier than when I get the video posted because it's just very quick to get it out there. I went to freepluginoffer.com, okay, and I had to enter, it was either my phone number or my email address, perhaps both, but then they texted me a scannable barcode to get this item completely free. So I went to Walmart, I grabbed this item, I scanned it, I hit pay, then I pulled up that barcode on my phone, I scanned it, and my total was free. My receipt printed out, so I paid nothing. And then I submitted this to Ibotta for $2 back, making this not only free, but a $2 moneymaker. So I'm going to include that link in the printable document that I have linked for you in the video description box below, but it's freepluginoffer.com. Hopefully that's still available. It was yesterday when I checked it. All right, another Ibotta offer is on these Skintimate razors. These are priced at $5.97. Now there is a $4 coupon that I'm gonna link for you in the printable document, making this just $1.97 when you check out. But there is a $2 rebate on Ibotta, making it free and a 3-cent moneymaker. So score yourself some free razors. If you're not already using Ibotta, you definitely want to grab it. Use my referral code because you will unlock up to $20 in welcome bonuses when you sign up with Ibotta. All right, is this my last one? Yeah, the last offer I did is on this 3-pack of Colgate Max Cleans. Now these are priced at $5.96, but Ibotta has a $5 rebate on this, making it just 96 cents after the Ibotta rebate. But you can also submit your receipt to coupons.com because there is a $1 coupon for when you buy any one Colgate. And so I submitted my receipt to coupons.com as well, and I've already gotten that $1 back. If you're new to using the coupons.com app, what you do is you take a picture of your receipt, you scan the barcode of the item, and then they credit your PayPal account. So you have to link a PayPal account, and then the money goes directly into that account. So it's pretty cool. Super easy deal. Snagged 3 free toothpaste. Okay, so everything all together, $8.39 moneymaker. Everything was free, making my total negative 64 cents per item. Bree, did you beat that? I can't wait to find out. So I watched her video, but to be honest with you, there's so many numbers going on in my head. I can't remember what her total price per item is. So right after I get this posted, I'm going to double check because I want to see who is getting a pie in the face. Okay, before I go though, I want to tell you about a video that I've been talking about for a while. I am finally getting it posted tomorrow. So stay tuned for tomorrow's video. I will be posting about Walgreens and how to save money at Walgreens. It's going to be a series that talks about their different promotions, how to use Walgreens cash, how to do spin deals, how to use register rewards. A lot of people have questions about couponing over there. So my video that I'll post tomorrow will be all about register rewards. So if you're interested in couponing at Walgreens, you definitely want to check out that video. Hope y'all are having a fantastic week and stay tuned. Bye.